Welcome to the latest episode of Weekly Immigration News by Raju Law. This week, we brought to you 4 latest updates in the immigration arena. Let's start with the headlines. International students lose visas over minor offenses. IRS to share tax data with ICE. USCIS to review alien social media activity for anti-Semitism. DHS release May 2025 Visa Bulletin. Let's get into details. Nearly 500 international students at universities across the US had their visas abruptly revoked after their service records were unexpectedly terminated. In many cases, the cited violations were minor, such as traffic offenses, but were incorrectly flagged as criminal activity. Students from over 50 institutions, including UCLA, Stanford, and the University of Wisconsin-Madison, have reported being impacted. The situation has raised alarms about a growing crackdown on international students during the Trump administration, marked by a lack of transparency and advance notice. Next up, in a major shift, the IRS has agreed to share taxpayer information with ICE for deportation cases. ICE can now access data like addresses and income of immigrants under investigation of facing removal. Critics warn the move could reduce trust, hurt tax compliance, and harm immigrant communities. Lawsuits aim to block the agreement, and no data has been shared so far, per court filings. Moving on, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services will now consider anti-Semitic social media posts and harassment of Jewish people when reviewing immigration applications. The policy targets content supporting anti-Semitic terrorism or terrorist groups and is part of a federal effort to fight rising anti-Semitism following the October 7 Hamas attacks. Immigration rights and progressive Jewish groups say the move could suppress political speech and unfairly target marginalized communities amid growing backlash over U.S. protests against Israel's actions in Gaza. Finally, the U.S. State Department has released the May 2025 Visa Bulletin, which is the 8th Visa Bulletin for the fiscal year. The headline in the month's Visa Bulletin is the lack of pretty much any movement across the cutoff dates for employment categories and very minor forward movement for some family-based categories. According to the May 2025 Visa Bulletin, family-based applicants must use the dates for filing chart, while employment-based applicants must follow the final action dates chart for adjustment of status filings.